A new report reveals that discrimination is a barrier to Alzheimer's and dementia care.
And for the first time ever, the Alzheimer's Association is exploring the issue of race with its yearly Facts and Figures report.
African Americans are already at a greater risk for developing the disease, and one Charlotte woman is doing what she can to support others who are where she was years ago.
My mother was a very warm, kind, and generous person.
Juanita Wade holds on to fond memories of her mother. Nearly 21 years ago, at the age of 77, Violet Brooks passed away.
I'd seen signs of dementia, I'd say 10 years before she was diagnosed.
For their family, navigating Alzheimer's wasn't easy. Now, Wade dedicates her time to those looking for a friendly face in this fight. She leads an African American support group through the Alzheimer's Association.
Of people who participate in my support group are women, and women who look like me, about their struggles with getting the care that they need, having to work with or not being able to work with healthcare providers who look like them. And so the fears of not understanding what they're going through.
They're actually disproportionately impacted by this disease, almost 2.5 times more likely for a Black American than a white American to be diagnosed with Alzheimer's.
A new report out looking at race and care reveals people of color expect and experience more barriers to accessing dementia care. 2/3 of Black Americans believe it's harder for them to get excellent care. Catherine Lambert is the CEO of the Western Carolina chapter of the Alzheimer's Association.
We also need to make sure we're developing a workforce that reflects the demographics of individuals with Alzheimer's and other dementias. Let's accelerate that. And then what are we doing locally? We really are looking at how are we growing partnerships with diverse communities.
Get rid of implicit bias isn't just you take one training course. You really have to take time to know the community, know the culture.
Alzheimer's can be isolating, and the pandemic only magnifies that. So until there's a cure, Wade will keep working to bridge barriers, making sure no one feels alone.
I hope I make my mom proud.
A Wade support group meets virtually on the second Wednesday of each month, and she would love for as many people to be involved in that. Now, the local chapter of the Alzheimer's Association is hosting a virtual learning session. It's on May 10th. It's called the African American Experience of Alzheimer's and Related Dementia.
And I know you are passionate about this, and you've led the Alzheimer's Walk in Charlotte before that our station was a sponsor of, and I'm always curious the numbers. How many people in our area are dealing with Alzheimer's?
Well, unfortunately, Jason, it's growing. 1 in 9 Americans 65 and older live with Alzheimer's right now. In North Carolina, 180,000 people, and that number, based on this new report that came out this week, is going to rise 17% just in the next 4 years.
Wow.
So the association really wants people to know that they are here to help with resources for everyone.
And Wyatt, thank you for that story this morning.